Thank you, sir, for your nice introduction. Welcome to learners. Uh, today we have discussed about the block two of urban sociology, that is MSOE 4, urban sociology, ecological processes and theories. So today's topic is urban ecological processes and theories, block two. So before tapping to analyze this block, we must know what is urban ecological processes and what is theories or what is urban ecology. So urban, we have discussed in the last class. So urban ecology means it studies the relationship of mankind with each other and their surrounding. So urban ecology means the relationship of urban people with each other and their surroundings, including the urban area or cities or city landscape. So urban ecology is the scientific study of relation of this living organism of this city with each other and their surrounding in the context of urban environment. In the context of urban environment, so what is the relation between this urban environment, urban people, their relationship with each other? That is what urban ecology try to study. So, to have a complete understanding of urban society, it is necessary to know the urban ecological processes. So, this urban ecology is a recent and interdisciplinary field which tries to understand the coexistence of human and ecological process in an urban environment. Because as urban or today's urban centers are highly polluted, so that's why this urban ecology developed as an interdisciplinary field. It will try to study this coexistence of human and ecological processes in an urban environment and helps humans to build more sustainable living. So urban ecology, by studying urban ecology, it helps the human beings in urban society to build a more sustainable living in urban setting. So urban ecology in sociology is the study of community structure. Sociology रे जो urban ecology को हमें study करते, तार purpose होती the community structure, urban community structure. We try to interpret urban community structure and organization as manifest in cities. The urban community structure as it manifests in cities. And the goal of urban ecology is to achieve a balance between human culture and a natural environment. The urban human culture and natural environment भितर केमती गोटे balance संतुलन रही गोटे sustainable city life maintain करा जाओ. That is the purpose or goal of urban ecology. So you know now what is the urban ecology. Then what is urban ecological processes? So processes by we mean something that is going on continuously. That is what is we mean by urban ecology processes. So urban ecological processes we mean whereby it refers to a process whereby spatial distribution of people in an urban center and activities change. They include centralization. Centralization means that is clustering of economic and service functions. And then concentration, the tendency of people and activities to cluster together to concentrate a particular place. So these are the different processes that is going on in an urban society, and that includes the urban ecological processes. So urban ecological processes therefore mean a physical, chemical, and biological actions or events that link organism and their environment. So these processes, urban ecological processes, द्वारा different physical, chemical, biological actions or events that link organisms or individuals in urban centers to their urban environment. That is what urban ecological process means. So now you know what is urban ecology, what is urban ecological processes. Then urban ecological processes and theories. So what do you mean by theory? Theory normally refers to a set of related ideas about a particular social phenomena or about a particular issue. So the theories are generally developed by social scientists to study different social phenomena from different angles. So different sociology, different social science, different theory to analyze different social phenomena that occurs at that period. So this is what about the urban ecological process and theory, the introductory part of the block 2. Then we will shift to unit 5, that is invasion, succession, concentration, centralization, and segregation. So these are the different kind of processes, ecological processes that is going on in urban centers. So urban sociology developed in the same period normally at the time when sociology itself developing and achieving greater measure of distinction with social science during this 19th century. So within this, the developing stage of sociology, that urban sociology come into being. So this clearly shows that there is a similar theoretical roots of sociology and urban sociology. So there are different ecological approaches. Major theoretical approaches are developed to understand urban society. Urban society को बुझिया पाई केतेगुड़िए approaches, theoretical बा सैद्धांतिक approach बा दृष्टिकोण सब develop करागला and एवं सेटा गोटे evolutionary approach, dichotomous approach, ecological approach, symbolic approach. These are the different approaches that is developed as a theoretical different theories to study, understand, or perspectives to understand urban sociology. So on this, we'll discuss certain theories and major perspectives in urban sociology. You know, earlier in sociology, we have come in contact with evolutionary theory and functional theory, structure functional theories, which explains in some way or other about the different social phenomenon by different sociologists. You might have known the evolutionary theory of Herbert Spencer, Auguste Comte, and all these. So, similarly, functional theory, which compares a society with an organism that is individual, in his theory of evolutionary theory of Comte, how the society comes through different evolutions. So, similarly, the social evolution of Herbert Spencer, how he says compare between organic analogy and social evolution. Herbert Spencer made a comparison between individual organism and social organism. So, similarly, Henry Maine are also develop a distinction between status and contract. Status and contract, L.S. Morgan, concept of savagery, barbarism, and civilization. All these are evolutionary development. Then the dichotomous view but typological perspectives that try to understand this urban society को बुझिया पाई हम कोडे urban sociology বা urban society को बुझिया पाई. There are another perspective that is not dichotomous but typological perspective. Do you know what is perspective? Perspective means an angle, a particular angle from which the social scientists try to interpret a particular social phenomenon. So this dichotomous view or typological perspectives exercise the great influence on the study of the city. City रा बा शहर रा अध्ययन उपरे इटा गोटे major exercise got a great influence play kala, and it envisaged an ideal typical construct of a city. Ideal typical construction that this dichotomous view or typological perspective they envisaged an ideal typical construct of a city, contrasting it to rural and folk society. And this typological perspective attempted to grasp the nature of the urban social organization by contrasting it with the non-urban or rural folk. So, and which represented distinct social types on that basis. Then another Ferdinand Tönnies, you might have known about Ferdinand Tönnies. Ferdinand Tönnies have discussed about give a new term, dichotomous term, that is Gesellschaft, which stands for urban society, and Gemeinschaft, which stands for rural society. So according to Tönnies, that Gemeinschaft is dominated by a group of identity, while Gesellschaft contrasts with is characterized by individual identity. That is, Gesellschaft is characterized by group identity, whereas Gemeinschaft is characterized by individual identity and self-interest. This dichotomy between Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft, which is called urban society and rural society, is not a typology of forms of settlement only, but a reflection of the way of lives in villages and cities organized. How the life is organized in village and city, that speaks. This is what speaks about this in this typology. Tönnies explains through this typology that how the lives, way of lives are organized in villages and towns. Accordingly, Gesellschaft and Gemeinschaft is formed. So it refers to the type of social relationship, and more specifically to the contrast between emotional and rational, personal and contractual and communal relations and individual aspects of human interactions. So these are being studied under this Gemeinschaft. Tönnies also identified Gemeinschaft in terms of particularism, quality, affectivity, and diffuseness, while the characteristic of Gesellschaft involves Gesellschaft characteristics of the universalism, the sarvajaninata, performance, affective neutrality, or specificity. Characteristics Gesellschaft, that is the urban society. Gesellschaft, which according to Tönnies, which stands for urban society, is characterized by universalism, performance, affective neutrality, and specificity. Whereas Gemeinschaft is characterized by particularism. Gemeinschaft stands for rural society, which is characterized by particularism, quality, affectivity, and diffuseness. Then after another dichotomous view was presented by Emil Durkheim as one of the founding father of sociology, and he also holds a dichotomous view of society. According to his different theories, division of D la, division du travel sociala, otherwise in other English division of labor only. In that division of labor, Durkheim speaks about two types of society, two dichotomous type of society, that is the mechanical solidarity type of society and organic solidarity type of society. Mechanical solidarity type of society and organic solidarity type of society. Mechanical solidarity refers to a simple society, or a simple society or similar society, that is in a segmental societies, and which is characterized by most rudimental division of labor, repressive law, and strong collective conscience. In a mechanical solidarity type of society, एक यांत्रिक समाज, यांत्रिक एकता भित्तिक समाज रे लक्षण होची कोन ना समानता, सिमिलारिटी, रिप्रेसिव लॉ, रुडिमेंटरी डिविजन ऑफ श्रम विभाजन, रिप्रेसिव लॉ स्ट्रॉंग कलेक्टिव कन्साइंस, एक दृढ़ सामूहिक विवेक, कलेक्टिव कन्साइंस, ए सब लक्षण द्वारा दुर्खेम कहउछंती तंकर जो मेकानिकल solidarity type society which is considered unchanged. It was the first society and it was a simple society. Mechanical solidarity type of society was a simple society. In contrast, he has developed another complex society, that is organic solidarity type of society, but जैविक एकता भित्तिक समाज. and that represents the urban society. Organic solid type of society represents the urban model of urban society. So this organic solid type of society refers to a more complex society with more population, high population growth, differentiation of social rules, and restitutive law, and expansion of urban life. These are the characteristics of that is organic solidarity society বা জৈবিক একতা ভিত্তিক সমাজର এই ସବୁ ହେଉଛି ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ. So by giving this model, so Durkheim tried to explain that the mechanical solidarity type of society represents the rural society, whereas the organic solidarity type of society বা জৈবিক একতা ভিত্তিক সমাজটা ଏକ शहरी समाज the urban society को represent करे. So in his book Division of Labor, he gives importance on two factors that give rise to increased division of labor and leading towards urban society. Durkheim कहउछंती in his book Division of Labor that when division of labor in the mechanical solidarity type of society was very simple, but it became complex. It became complex and complicated with increasing population. As population increases, so it became very complex and complicated. Mainly two factors are even responsible. The kind कहउछंती that is increased division of labor by दुटा कारण दायी. Increased division of labor और
sir good doubt
ask please.
Sir, if you go by the word literally meaning, हमर जो organic solidarity आ उटर रहला mechanical solidarity, तो हमको लगे कि normally जो हमर जोटा small बा tribal बा जोटा primitive societies सेठे हमर organic solidarity माने रहिया दरकार बोली.
Urban society.
Yes sir. But in large society जोटा कि in the industrial society, इटा mechanical solidarity सेमती हमको भी फील होची, बट एरा उल्टा था सर ना.
नहीं हमरा मेकानिकल solidarity होची ancient society which is very simple, a simple type of society, simple division of labor और repressive law जोटी चोरी करले हाथ कटा हो, this kind of law is there.
नहीं सर से व्हाट मेकानिकल वर्ड ही यूज तो तेनु कर टिक के कंफ्यूज लागु.
नहीं मेकानिकल को जाउची, मेकानिकल means when it is mechanical is not industrial. Mechanical means the response is mechanical. Here the people are responding mechanically. बुझ परछो ना नहीं
सर.
मेकानिकल रेस्पॉन्ड करछन जर केमती ना तुमे चोरी कलो हाथ कटा हो, तो पनिशमेंट इज मेकानिकली रेस्पॉन्ड संगे संगे पनिशमेंट सेटा कहउची सेति भाई मेकानिकल को जाईची. Durkheim use the term mechanical. People responds mechanically, so that's why he used the term mechanical, है ना. But it was a simple society. श्रम विभाजन ता सरल श्रम विभाजन थिला, कम लोक संख्या थिले, एटा सेति भाई मेकानिकल टर्म ता खाली यूज करा जाईची. सेटा को हमें यांत्रिक समाज बोली कहते. तर जंत्र शब्द रहयो हमको लागुची जे इंडस्ट्रियल भलिया, कि दैट इज नॉट इंडस्ट्रियल सोसाइटी. रादर इंडस्ट्रियल सोसाइटी इज द ऑर्गेनिक सोसाइटी. इंडस्ट्रियल सोसाइटी इज ए कॉम्प्लेक्स सोसाइटी, कि मेकानिकल सोसाइटी गोटे सिंपल सोसाइटी. Am I clear?
Yes sir. But sir हमरो modern society रे we all are dependent on like everybody.
So dependence पड़ी जीव, dependence तो बढ़िबो, सेटा होची ऑर्गेनिक सोसाइटी रो गोटे फीचर्स. सेठी डिपेंडेंसी कम, एठी डिपेंडेंसी बहुत हबो, इंक्रीज करिवो.
आ सर कलेक्टिव कॉन्शियस जोटा हमरो
कलेक्टिव कॉन्शियस सामूहिक विवेक
सर
कलेक्टिव कॉन्शियस
सेटा हमरो कम है मॉडर्न सोसाइटी सेटा कम अछि ना.
सेटा कम सेटा सामूहिक विवेक जेमति हमें देखुछ टाउन रे व्हेनेवर यू गोइंग बाय देखुछ गोटे लोक एक्सीडेंट हला, जने लोक पडिची, बहुत लोक पळै जिवे, खूब कम लोक ताकू उठे, किंतु मार्क इट इन द ट्राइबल सोसाइटी लोक पीपल विल गैदर इमोशनली.
Sir.
So that is they are pulled by collective conscience, है ना.
Sir.
So this एटा कोन बुझि परछु कि एटा होची जो डायकोटोमस व्यू. So जो टाइपोलॉजिकल डायकोटोमिस माध्यम रे ए पर्सपेक्टिव द्वारा से चेष्टा करूछन्ती बुझेया पई जे हाउ अर्बन सोसाइटी इज ए थ्योरी. It is a theory by which they try to understand how urban society characterized by these different dichotomous views. Am I clear?
Yes sir. Thank you sir.
Thank you. So then similarly, so these are the views that is provided by these different sociologists regarding the dichotomous typological view theories. So similarly, Tony Durkheim also expressed that the moral order of the common value gets replaced by an instrumental order. That mechanical solidarity type society थिवा rural society रे आमे गोटे moral order अनुसार काम करू किंतु वर्तमान instrumental order urban society रे we are operating through a instrumental value. आमे moral value द्वारा guided हो that is we are guided by instrumental value. So similarly, Max Weber also given ideal type model, ideal typical model of urban life and organization. Ideal type. His ideal type method clearly evident in his study of the city with particular focus on two aspects, that is economic and political organization. Max Weber economic organization or political organization उपरे तंकर गुरुत्व देइचंती एवं the type of city as a settlement सेटा गोटे relative predominance of trade commerce. हमारा agriculture predominate करूची कोठी agricultural society predominate करूची rural society, urban society रे predominate करूची के trade commerce industry, these are the predominating. So that's why he has also given this kind of dichotomous comparison between these. Then this common thread, there is a common thread running in all these scholars theoretical model. They attempt to distinguish between different forms of social relationship through the development of analytical dichotomies. ये समस्त स्कॉलर जो दरखाम कोंतु आपने जो एनालिस्ट टॉनिस कहले वेबर कहले एमाने सबु गोटे रिलेशनशिप ता गोटे प्रकार एटी होची आ से सोसाइटी रिलेशनशिप चेंज होची. So on the basis of this change relationship they try to analyze this typological perspective of urban. Am I clear?
Yes sir.
Then we will study about the ecological perspective. Ecological perspective in sociology. The perspective माने बुझ पर तो कहिल तो माने पड़छ माने छै ना. So perspective कहले an angle from which the social scientists try to understand a social phenomena. जो दृष्टिकोण रु समाज विज्ञानी माने कोनसे गोटे सामाजिक घटना को बा फेनोमेनन को बुझिबा को चेष्टा करंती ताको हमें पर्सपेक्टिव बा दृष्टिकोण बोली की कहितो बा दृष्टिभंगी बोली मध्यम कहितो है ना. So there is another perspective in the sociologists of social scientists have developed for urban society, that is ecological perspective. So this ecological perspective, ecology मु कहिछि वर्तन जन जन नै ecology कोन कहउथिले वर्तमान मनस तो. So ecology means urban ecology studies the relationship of mankind with each other and their surrounding. It is a science establishing developing science try to study the sustainable how urban society will be a sustainable urban people lead a sustainable life in urban social setting. That is what aims at urban ecology. Then we say ecological perspective is also a new perspective in urban sociology that is developing. So this ecological approach of urban sociology is based on two fundamental premises to understand the effect produced by the urban environment on social organization and behavior. So this ecological approach in urban sociology based on these two fundamental premises. First, to understand the effect produced by the urban environment. Urban environment कौन effect पकोजी on social organization पे कौन पकोजी आउ the individual behavior society रे urban society रे individual behavior पर कौन प्रभाव पकोजी से दुईटा को a ecological perspective try to understand. Then this ecological approach was first developed by Robert Park. Robert Park प्रथमे develop करथिले the ecological approach and his colleagues at Chicago University in 1950s. Chicago University रा जो प्रथमे develop करथिला urban sociology school of urban sociology. So in that he have developed this ecological approach. His basic proposition was based on the correspondence in plant communication and the emergence of natural areas within cities. Natural areas within city, emergency of natural areas within city. City भितर केमती natural प्राकृतिक area रो हबो सेही proposition को भित्ति करिके एटा develop हेजी, and where similar social constituents of urban environment congregated. एवं urban society जेति ecological for a sustainable development of urban life, so natural environment केमती plant communities केमती evolve करिवो urban environment रे, that was the purpose of this ecological perspective. So Park says that human ecology as the sociologists like to use the term, is not an identical with the geography, not even with the human geography. Rather, he says that ecological proposition are generic and human space, generic to human space, which gives rise to spatial relationship in urban environment in terms of residences, business, various institutions, transportation, and communication facilities. So this ecological approach try to understand amidst all these urban requirements, how the natural environment of the urban society can be protected. So his assumptions, Park's assumptions of ecological model was very much influenced by Comte and Spencer. Tankara jo ecological concept of Park was very much influenced by Auguste Comte and Herbert Spencer and Emile Durkheim. All of them are inclined towards evolutionary path of social change. ये तीन जन जाक Spencer, Durkheim और Auguste Comte, ସେମାନେ होचंती evolutionary sociologist. So तांकर से evolutionary approach आडको से मध्य देगी ecological approach रे ताको try to explain करिया पे try करते. Similarly, Park view of ecology were influenced with these ideas and try to apply this theory to the study of urban space. See, urban space को पढ़े पाई, he has applied these evolutionary models of Comte, Spencer, and Durkheim. So Comte and Spencer's assumptions of social organism largely influenced Park's conception of community and society. Community and society और social organism भितर जेमती Spencer तुलना करुतले social organism, individual organism. Similarly, Park मध्य Park का जो community और society से सेटा को compare कले. So Emile Durkheim's influence is more explicit in Park's ontological assumptions regarding human nature and the relationship between individual and society. So Robert Park's human society involves double aspects. On the one hand, it is an expression of human nature, which is revealed in the competition for survival, in which relationship with others are entirely utilitarian. On the other hand, it is also an expression of consensus and common purpose. Individual freedom is supreme on the one hand, and the other hand, individual will is subordinated to the collective will. Or collective mind of society as a super organism. So Park called community and the second society. So ecology is concerned with the communities rather than society. It is not easy task to distinguish between them. Community और society भितर distinguish करिया. जोड़ा primary community से use करते rural society पाई और society use करते पर urban society पाई. In his understanding, community refers to a specific aspect of human organization that is identified theoretically as the unorganized and unconscious process whereby human population adjust to their environment through unrestricted competitions. लोगों को adjust करें कोई तंगरा से जो unrestricted competition सहित से उन्हें adjust करते. Thus, ecological approach to social relation was characterized by an emphasis on the biotic as opposed to the cultural aspect of human interaction. So, in ecological perspective, से कौन बोलते ना social relation was characterized by emphasis on biotic ऊपर ecological perspective biotic ऊपर गुरुत्व दूची किंतु cultural aspect of human interaction ऊपर गुरुत्व दूना है. बरं बायोटिक ह्यूमन इंटरैक्शन ऊपर गुरुत्व देउछि. So it does not mean that it denies the relevance of culture in the study of social life. Rather, it includes the unconscious and social aspect as its specific area of interest. So then Charles Darwin, in his book Origin of Species, was published in 1959, viewed the notion of a web of life through which all organisms are related to all others in ties of interdependence or symbiosis. So all the Charles Darwin in his book Origin of Species mention kale that the notion of web of life, se kote life ka gote web ebang sei web re all organisms are related to each other. प्रत्येक सहित निर्भरशील बा संपर्कित in ties of interdependence or symbiosis. सेमाने गोटे symbiosis रे बा परस्पर सहित अति निबिड़ भावे डिपेंडेंट एवं से डिपेंडेंसी जाकू से कहउचंदी गोटे web of life. And this balance of nature was a product of the tooth and claw struggle for survival. ये जो balance of nature पर प्रत्येक परस्पर ऊपर निर्भर करचंदी बा अपन करचंदी एटा कोन पई that due to the balance of nature प्रकृति रा संतुलन रक्षा न करि पारले it is a struggle for survival, tooth and claw struggle for survival. सर्वाइवल पई मनुष्य जो कंपटीशन करूची से सर्वाइवल कंपटीशन ने जो तिष्ठ रखिया पई से तापरे डिपेंड करिया को पड़ुची बाध्य होची. He has to depend on every organism depend on the other because that is the nature of balance of nature. प्रकृति रा संतुलन रक्षा करिया पई जंगु निर्भर करिया को पड़ो. And ये जो competition that regulate the population size of different species को नियंत्रण करिवो. So competition for the basic resources of life thus resulted in the adaptation of different for the species to each other. ये जो competition for basic resources जो मौलिक संपत्ति पाई प्रत्येक लोक बा प्रत्येक जीव compete करूला प्रतियोगिता करूची that ताहा फलरे से विभिन्न स्पेसीज सहित निजको एडजस्ट करिया पई बाध्य होची निज सहित खाप खोया चलिया पई बाध्य होची because in order to get resources he have to adjust or adapt himself with the other species and hence to the evolution of a relatively balanced ecological system. एवं ए adaptation फलरे गोटे balance गोटे संतुलित ecological system रा डेवलपमेंट होची एवं कोऑपरेशन मध्ये सेमान भितरे होची इन ए डिफरेंशिएटेड ऑर्गेनिज्म. तेणु ए जो एडजस्टमेंट होची एटा तो ऑलरेडी गोटे नेचुरल ता गोटे स्पॉन्टेनियस प्रोसेस. इट इज अ वेरी स्पॉन्टेनियस प्रोसेस. नेचुरली मैन हैव टू डिपेंड ऑन अदर्स, मैन हैव टू एडजस्ट, accommodate or adapt with others. This will continuously going on. This ecological concept that explains the congruence between spatial and economic differentiation is the most dominant factor in ecological processes. So following Darwin's theory, Robert Park viewed that in every living community, there are always one or more dominant species. प्रत्येक लिविंग कम्युनिटी रे गोटे सब बेले कोनसी ना कोनसी समय गोटे डोमिनेंट स्पीसीज थाए. जेमति गोटे समय आमे देखुतले डायनासोर गोटे डोमिनेंट थिला. तो सिमिलरली एवरी स्पीसीज रे गोटे डोमिनेंट स्पीसीज थाए. प्रत्येक लिविंग कम्युनिटी रे one or more dominant species. In the human community, industry and commerce are dominant. Similarly, in human community रे आमे industry occupation भितरे आमे industry और commerce गोटे dominant species होची. For that they can outbid other competition for strategic central location in the city. तेणु सिटी रे वर्तमान dominant occupation हिसाब रे industry और commerce रहउची. So Robert Park writes that the struggle for industries and commercial institutions for a strategic location determine in the long run the principle of dominance, which tend to determine the general ecological pattern of the city and the functional relation of each of the different areas of the city to all others. So, ये जो functional relation रहउची different strategic location determine करिया पई commercial institution by industry set installation करिया पई ततर गोटे कंपटीशन होची एवं सेही कंपटीशन भितरे स्ट्रगल फॉर इंडस्ट्रीज होची गोटे प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डोमिनेंस एवं से डोमिनेंट फल जे तादे बेटर पहुंची से बेटर प्लेस रे बेटर लोकेशन इंडस्ट्री को स्थापन करिवारे सुविधा हो। Similarly, another Burgess, E.W. Burgess, Louis Reed, Robert Redfield are other prominent contributors of Chicago School whose thoughts are based on ecological approach. A ecological approach रा आउ तीन जन कंट्रीब्यूटर बा स्कॉलर रहिले सपोर्टर रहिले Burgess, Louis Reed, Robert Redfield, R.D. McGurney. The first two, that is McGurney and Burgess, draw the great interest among contemporary researchers who employ classical ecological concept. Burgess' theory of concentric zone continues to be popular in the study of urban change in different societies. Burgess देइथिले concentric zone theory जोटा हमें next chapter रे पढ़िबा. So R.D. McGurney study invasion and succession. Invasion and succession are the two ecological processes. He has given these two as the core of urban ecological process. Urban ecological process रा एक दिटा core invasion और succession दिटा core process बोली McGurney कहउछन. His study describes the dynamic nature of urban space. एवं एथिरे से कोन कहउछि जे urban space रा dynamic nature बा परिवर्तित प्रकृति संबंध रे से आलोचना करूछन्ति. He further explains the simultaneous process of centralization of essential services and the depression of no specialized ones. Centralization of essential services ଉପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି. There are general tendency in urban centers towards residential concentration around commercial and industrial districts. साधारणतः in urban center रे ଆମେ देखू there are a natural tendency, a normal tendency among people to concentrate on residential and commercial or industrial areas. People concentrate more in these areas in urban centers. The transportation development has allowed residential concentration along major alternatives. So then Louis Reed and Robert Redfield followed the ecological approach with their teacher Robert Park of Chicago School. His famous write of urbanism as a way of life. It describes human ecology as one of the three significant perspectives of the city. सहर तीनटा गुरुत्वपूर्ण पर्सपेक्टिव भितरे एटा होची गोटे इंपोर्टेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. The other two are organizational and social psychological perspective. He argued that all three should complement each other. तीनटा जाक परस्पर को complement करिया उचित. Human ecology is not a substitute but a supplement to the other frame of reference and method of social investigation. So that's why in his Urbanism as a Way of Life, Redfield describes human ecology as an important or significant perspective of city. Among all these three, there should be complementation. Both are complementary to each other. So these are the scholars who give their own view about the ecological processes of urban socialism. But this urban, the ecological processes of urban society or urban sociology is not free from criticism. It has been criticized from different angles. At first criticism of this ecological approach is that the growth of city was the product of automatic forces involving competition and selection. This has been denied by many. So ecological theory कहउछि जे the city, the growth of city टा होछि गोटे automatic force involving competition and selection. Competition और selection व्यतिरे city रा growth होछि सेटा को अनेक ग्रहण करिना. That is also one of the criticism. Another criticism of this theory is that the mode of statistical analysis of ecological research. So Robinson made a distinction between ecological correlation and individual correlation. He observed that the ecological correlation overemphasized individual ones. Ecological correlation overemphasized ହେଇଯାଉଛି ତେଣୁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ ୟାକୁ criticize କରିଛନ୍ତି. The third drawback of the ecological approach is pointed out by Firet. He suggests that human ecology explained by locational activity is purely in terms of economic maximization. So against, he argued that the space may have a symbolic as well as economic value, therefore locational activity may reflect sentiment as well as economic rationality. That point of view is also being criticized. So however, despite all these criticisms of play, the ecological perspective of urban society has many advantages. It is the only comprehensive theoretical approach to explain urban social reality. Because in a modern, polluted urban atmosphere, this ecological approach is the only comprehensive theoretical approach to explain the urban social reality. The ecology process in urban sociology is a comprehensive process that explains both aspects of change in cities, physical change, our social change in social organization. ये सब को cover करूँ एटा उटे complete गोटे comprehensive theoretical approach बोली ecological approach को कहा जाता है. So then we'll discuss about the two processes, the ecological processes which are हम कहते ecological process and theories हमें approach perspective विषय पे आलोचना कले. Now we'll discuss about the invasion or succession are the two processes, ecological processes of urban society. So both these invasion and succession, both these processes are adapted from ecology to describe the neighborhood change and growth of the city, whereby one social group succeeds in establishing itself by pushing out another in the valued urban space. ये जो इन्वेस्टन और सक्सेशन एटा होची दुटा प्रोसेसेस दुटा प्रक्रिया. इन्वेस्टन सक्सेशन होची दुटा शहरी इकोलॉजिकल प्रक्रिया जोटा कि ए दुटा प्रक्रिया अडॉप्ट कराइची कोडी इकोलॉजी रु वर्णना करिया पई जे शहर रे जो नेबरहुड चेंज होची बा जो ग्रोथ ऑफ द सिटी होची जोठी वन सोशल ग्रुप गोटिए सामाजिक गोष्ठी बा समूह succeed करूची in establishing itself निजको प्रतिष्ठा करिबारे सफल होची by pushing another group ahead. आ गोटे ग्रुप को पहले देई बा ठेली देई अर्बन स्पेस रु से निजको सफल करिबारे प्रतिष्ठा सेही जो प्रोसेस को बुझिया पई ए दुईटा इकोलॉजी रु ए दुईटा प्रोसेस को अडॉप्ट करा जाईची ताको अब इन्वेस्टन और सक्सेशन बोली कहू. These terms are associated with the Chicago school and particularly Burgess zonal model. ये दुटा बर्गेस जोनल मॉडल हिसाब रे चिकागो स्कूल रो सहित जड़ित. So according to this model, the growing demand for land of immigrant population for housing and other activities forces them to move to outward areas. जेतबे अर्बन सोसाइटी रे पॉपुलेशन ग्रो करे सेतबे कोन हुए ना the demand for house land or housing increases. घर जगह पे घर पे डिमांड जतले बढ़ी जाए सेतबेले लोक माने कोन करंती ना मूव टू आउटवर्ड एरियाज सिटी रो सबर्ब एरिया को मूव करंती. So invasion refers to the inflow of rural population towards the city center for various purposes. So invasion is a process, ecological process, which means the inflow of rural population to city centers for various purposes. जेतले विभिन्न लक्ष्य नहीं ग्रामरु लोक माने शहर को आसंती कौन कौन लक्ष्य ना नियुक्ति शिक्षा स्वास्थ्य एंती विभिन्न कारण पाई बिजनेस मजूरी पाई अर्न करिया पाई. So these are the sell commerce ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स ये सब पाई ये जो पर्पस पाई ग्रामरु जतले लोक माने शहर को इमिग्रेंट हिसाब रे आसंती. So it is more reflected among low economic status of immigrant group. So ये जो पॉपुलेशन एटा को हमें आसिले रूरल ग्रामरु शहर को जो आसिले विभिन्न लक्ष्य नहीं सेटा को हमें इन्वेस्टन बोली की कहू. So a invasion the more reflected among the low economic status of the immigrant people. Immigrant पर असुथिबा जो low status रो immigrant people सेमान को भीतर एटा बेसी देखा जाए they move into adjacent residential areas, having a negative impact on the quality of life of the current occupant. So ये जो लोग माने आसिले गाँव से माने कौन करे सन, they have low income group, so naturally they can live in costly houses or in the middle of the city or important areas. So naturally they move into adjacent residential areas. तेणु सहर पाखापाखी अंचल को से माने move करिवे एवं negative impact on the quality of life of the current occupant. तेणु से माने इतने बहुत लोगों का entry है ला, तेणु वर्तमान जैसे कि लोग टाउन में अच्छी, तांको ऊपर मतलब इटा गुटे प्रभाव पकेगा, तांकर lifestyle ऊपर इटा गुटे प्रभाव पकेगा. Sometimes the highest status group find it more comfortable and convenient to move out of the city and shift the periphery of the city. तेणु बेले बेले धनी लोक माने मध्य इटू बाहर चली जाते हैं पड़े. The word invasion has a negative connotation which reflects negative sentiment of the resident population or the fresh migrant. तेणु बेले बेले invasion से बहुत गोटे positive process बहुत negative process मध्य. आज हम negative connotation हिसाब रे हमें इटा reflect करूँ कौन? It is a negative sentiment को reflect करती है the resident population for the fresh migrant. साधारणतः हमें देखू केतबले गोटे सिटी को बाहर लोक अन्यरू एंट्री करंती सेतबले से शहर लोक माने तंको ग्रहण करंती नै ताको गोटे नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड नेगेटिव सेंटीमेंट से को रखंती सेटा मध्ये से नेगेटिव सेंटीमेंट मध्ये इन्वेशन भितरे इनपुट करा जाय पारे. So that is about invasion. So then succession. So succession similarly like invasion, succession is a process, ecological process that shows successive movement of people in outward zones as the need arises. It refers to the successive movement of people in outward zones. Outward sorrow outward zone रे एटा उठे successive movement outward zone as the need arises. सेतला आवश्यकता देखा देबो सेतबेले movement of people outward zone को लोक माने गति करिवे सेही प्रक्रिया को बुझिया पई सक्सेशन सेटा को हमें सक्सेशन बोली को. So this movement is neither abrupt nor uniform. It moves in a successive phases called succession. एटा सक्सेशन एई पई को जायछि that successively people abrupt अबे सब पळेबे नै इ सक्सेसिव विभिन्न स्टेज स्तर देगी लोक जिवे. It is also viewed as an attack on the ecological natural habitat of the outer zone. एटा आउटर जोन ऊपरे गोटे आक्रमण बोली मध्ये अभिहित करा जाई पारे. So succession is a complementary process to invasion as it proceeds only after the invasion. Invasion परे ही succession हबो. तेनु सेति पई एटा गोटे complementary process of invasion बोली कहा जाय. Succession is a complementary process of invasion because the succession takes place only after invasion. So that's why it is both are complementary. These ecological process of invasion and succession are frequently associated with an ethnic minority group movement into an area and the following changes that are characteristic of many of these cities natural areas. So either is invasion or succession with a ecological process frequently associated with ethnic minority. But ethnic group, but a jatiya or racial group सहित इटा सब रे group रा movement सहित इटा प्रायतः जड़ित. So this is about invasion or succession. These are the two processes. Then another two ecological processes of this is known as concentration and centralization. Concentration and centralization. So concentration is another process. Concentration is another process of urban society which is obvious, which occurs very commonly. It occurs due to large rate of immigration of rural population towards the city. जेतबेले large amount रो बहु परिमाण रे rural population शहर को एंट्री करंती सेते बेले एई से प्रोसेस को हम कंसंट्रेशन बोली को तमाने आसी गोटे जगह रे कंसंट्रेट करंती इन सिटी रे. And the rural urban or even urban migration leads to a higher concentration of population in the city with a variable demographic composition. ए जो इमिग्रेशन ता हुए सेटा रूरल अर्बन हबो एवं अर्बन मध्ये हबो. रूरल जो माने अर्बन बसिले रूरल अर्बन को अर्बन कोन ना अर्बन न एडजेसेंट एरिया रु किछि लोक पळे आसी कि अर्बन रो सेंटर बा विभिन्न इंपोर्टेंट एरिया रे बास करबे. सेटा को मध्ये हम को आजिवो ए जो concentration asi concentrate karbe city but with a variable demographic composition ei jo lok mane immigrant asibe rural lo urban go ba urban no urban ko seman gote variable population different different race or different religion different variable composition of people different age group a higher concentration of population further results in higher social interaction ଯେତେବେଳେ ହାୟର କନସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ହବ ଲୋକମାନେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଗ୍ରୁପରେ ଆସିକି ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ବାସ କରିବେ ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଇଣ୍ଟରାକ୍ସନ ମଧ୍ୟ ହାୟର ହବ that leads to higher interaction among these immigrants ଯୋଉମାନେ ଆସିକି ହାଇଲି କନସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ କରିବେ but is also characterized by superficial relationship ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଯୋଉ ରିଲେସନସିପ ଟା ହବ ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ superficial relationship ଭାବେ ଡେଭଲପ କରେ that is a superficial kind of relationship will occur among these people due to this high density of population. This fast growing population density of cities is one significant indicator of the process of concentration. Then concentration hela boli ame ketebale janiba na jetebale the density of population of a city will increase seta ko ame concentration process boli कहला that will be said as a concentration process that will be declared a concentration when density increases it indicates the high concentration processes are going on in a particular city. So this concentration and centralization increases the disadvantages of peripheral location and contribute to the economic and social deprivation of a commonly found greater distance from the port. So concentration or centralization increase the disadvantage of peripheral location. Periphery location मानकर जो contribute करेगा, सेमानकर economic और social deprivation पाई ये दूसरे जगह contribute करे. साधारणतः लोकमानकर जो tendency रही towards localization of economic activity in and around a relatively small number of urban centers. तंकर सही area भितरे तंकर economic activity की confine करिबारे तंकर उटे tension है. This condition is also referred to as a polarization or agglomeration about polarization or agglomeration. Say area with economic activity ki confine karbe. So another concentration gote achi ethnic concentration. Ethnic mane pehle gote racial population, racial group. So ethnic concentration exhibit another significant aspect of urban society. Ethnic concentration. साधारणतः तुम देखिबो गोटे एरिया रे गोटे racial group बा गोटे अंचल लोक माने गोटे जगह बास कर. जेमति हमें साधारणतः देखिबा कटक रे बंगाली साई गोटे अंचल अच्छी तेलुगु बस्ती अंचल. So these are the example of ethnic concentration. तो बंगाली सही केवल बंगाली माने जेतले कटक को आस्तले से माने सही रहियारु से नाटा that the name it became बंगाली सही. So this the concept this shows the ethnic concentration of the city. You know, it is a process of residential differentiation among urban population as an aggregate and which has an effect on socio-economic and cultural differences. A number of studies have shown that ethnic groups vary considerable in the degree of their residential concentration. So, in the gote area लोक माने आसी गोटे area रे concentrate करंती सेटा से process को हमें concentration कहू. आ पछरे अनेक गुडे कारण अछि why they concentrate party because of their belongingness, because of their feeling they prefer to settle at a particular concentrate at a particular place of the town urban center. So this spatial concentration and centralization is associated with the tendency for economic activity to organize units of increasing size and within a hierarchical organizational structure. So ये जो concentration spatial concentration और centralization এটা associated with the tendency of economic activity to organize unit एकाडे की economic activity एक पर संगठित करिया पाई ये माने ये जो concentration বা centralization विशेष करी एक पाई इटा. The growing concentration of ownership of capitalist business activity was evident during 19th century because before the contemporary emergence of multinational transnational corporations. ता पूर्व मध्य हमारा ये प्रकार capitalist business गोटे जगह रे concentrate करतला. So then we'll discuss about segregation, another centralization, concentration, segregation, another ecological process of ecological process of urban society. Segregation is also an important ecological process to understand the social institutions, social groups of urban society. ତେଣୁ ଯେମିତି ଆମେ invasion, succession, concentration, centralization, a process गुड़िक बुझे. Similarly, segregation is also another process to understand the urban social institution and urban social groups. तो बुझिया पई segregation मध्ये हमको साथे. So segregation तार कौन ना? Segregation is a process in which urban population became more and more divided into various social groups in terms of income, status, social status, ethnicity, and other criteria. When people divided into urban people divided among them, segregate, निजुको अन्यतारु segregate कर दिबा अलगा कर दो, अलगा कर दे on different criteria. Social status हो, economic earnings हो, बा wealth, possession of wealth हो, बा better residential area रे house हो, एमती गोटे basis रे जते लोक माने निज निजुको परस्पर तारु divide करंती various social groups रे सेटा को हमें segregation बोली कहू. And this segregation is a division due to spatial isolation and a rearrangement of the residential pattern. Rearrangement of the residential pattern ता मध्ये अनेक समय rearrange होय. बेले बेले धनी लोक माने गोटे गोटे एरिया रु जोटे हाईली कंसंट्रेशन आ गोटे भलो एरिया को शिफ्ट कर जिवे ओरिजिनल एरिया. तनो से भी गोटे टाइप ऑफ segregation. So residential segregation is quite an observable phenomena which further widens the social distance among various groups in urban society. Residential segregation. Suppose जो wide road थिबो सेठी धनी लोक माने जाईकी से better facilities थिबो माने से अंचल को शिफ्ट कर दिबे. फलरे सेटा गोटे residential segregation है गला एरिया. Then segregation is taking place also due to increasing acceptance of market-based land and basic services. Market-based land, marketability of the land, business facilities, ये सब दृष्टि को रखिकरी residential segregation ता take place मध्यम करे. So this is about how segregation as a process are occurring in urban society. So segregation as a ecological process, it implies an uneven distribution of different population group within a local or regional housing system. Such unevenness might be primarily with a difference in the type of accommodation. So Robert Park viewed that social relations are inevitably correlated with the spatial relation. The degree of residence and segregation is directly correlated to social distance. So जो social distance था ये directly correlated होती है segregation से. The segregation were also observable in pre-industrial cities. Pre-industrial cities, खाली जो industrial cities segregation होती था उनमें pre-industrial cities रे मध्य segregation थिला. So all the ecological processes that we have discussed, segregation represents set of processes constraining individuals' location, decision, whatever the cause. Urban society has been segregated in terms of language, culture, ethnicity, wealth. So these are the segregation, the causes of segregation. Urban society has been segregated. Every urban society segregated on these terms, on the basis of language, on the basis of culture, on the basis of ethnicity, on the basis of wealth. A system on the segregated. However, all the social processes, that is invasion, succession, concentration, centralization, segregation, all these depicts the general urban social structure and dynamics. All these social processes shows the urban social structure and dynamics, urban dynamics. परिवर्तन को मतलब explain करे. This pattern invariably turns out to be a constellation of typical urban areas. It a constellation of a typical urban area. These are the picture. Only हमें पता चला. Among all these urban social processes exist worldwide and perpetuated social inequality in terms of caste, class, occupation, wealth, religion, culture, ethnicity, and all these. So, any question about this chapter 5, about these different processes, different ecological theories, or different ecological perspectives? Any question? Any doubts? No. Then we'll shift to Unit 6, that is urban models of urban growth. Models of urban growth or different zone theory or model, a different model to explain the urban growth. So models of urban growth means the different models given by different sociologists to explain urban growth. So as you already know, that urban societies is a relatively larger heterogeneous settlement whose majority of inhabitants are engaged in non-agricultural occupation. Urban society will So the development of such urban society is very much determined by socio-cultural organization, climate, topography, economic development, and all these. And all these factors not only play an important role in determining urban centers in the present days, but also in earlier cities of the world, which is originated in the different river valleys, Indus Valley Civilization, Mohenjo-daro, Tigris, Euphrates, Nile Civilization, Memphis and Thebes. All these traditional cities of these ancient civilizations were also were urban centers, and this is these different factors, ecological and other factors, play an important role in it. So let us discuss about the structure of city. Structure of city means Sarara Saranchana. What is the structure of city? The distinct feature of characteristic of cities have evolved over time. Cities have been associated with the human civilization since long. In different periods, in ancient period, in medieval period, in modern period, the characteristic and feature of cities have changed. In each successive stages, the cities have acquired new characters, replacing the old. On the basis of different time and space basis, these characters of cities has been changing. The concept of city in ancient society was completely different from the present day city. So growth of cities is irregular. The growth principle of ancient city was something different. The growth principles of medieval or modern city was something different. So they are irregular in form, sensitive to changes. These growth of cities are sensitive to changes in the habits of people and dynamics in character. The nature of city is very dynamic, and that's why early the cities are begun as free cities, which are now settled voluntarily. But now the structure of city has been changing. However, the early development of city structure is discernible in two basic urban forms. Some are called walled towns and some as open city. Walled town and open city, these are divided on these two bases, on the basis of structure. With these two basic forms, a wide variety of pattern can be observed in different shapes and designs. Different cities are shaped by the different character of their society. As the character of the society governs the character of the city. The character of the society governs the character of the city. So naturally, more than the structure, it is the dwelling of the people that mark the different cultures of cities. So Max Weber, the city is a marketplace. Max Weber कहते city टा होची कोन ना गोटे marketplace, because market has always been play focal point of city, a center of the exchange of goods and services. The development of transportation, communication, money system, transport, this barter system has changed with the character of the city. So each city has certain degree of internal organization and regularities in its growth. Certain degree of internal organization This internal organization of cities include both physical as well as human aspect, the land use pattern, and the residential settlements. The city constitutes all the people who inhabit it, the entire collection of houses the people live in, the shops in which they work, the streets, the travels, and the places which they trade. All these include the city. The internal structure of city refers to the location, arrangement, and interrelationship between social and physical elements of the city. এটা কোনো internal organization বলি সিটির internal organization বা আন্তঃসংরচনা বলি কি বা সংগঠন বলি কি আমি কও The industrial evolution was a significant turning point where urban development is concerned. Urban development जो process थिला ताकू सेतरे industrial revolution बा शिल्प विप्लव ଗୋଟେ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଭୂମିକା ପ୍ଲେ କଲା ଏବଂ that industrial revolution play a very important role in turning the nature of city, in changing the nature of city. So industries have attracted labor force and also created market for their produce. When industries settle, new cities are built around an industry, and it creates a market for their produce. The products that industry produces, for the sale of this product, it creates a market, and the cities are built around that marketplace. Charles Colby analyzed these forces and explained the movement of people in the form of centripetal and centrifugal forces. So, Charles Colby have analyzed two processes, that is centrifugal or centripetal. Centripetal and centrifugal. Centripetal माने जोड़ा बाहर टाणी आनी गोटे केंद्र को रखुथिबो तो सेंट्रीफ्यूगल माने जोड़ा केंद्र को बाहर को टाणुथिबो सेंटर को. So these centripetal forces are the result of a number of attractive qualities of this central portion of the city. गोटे city रो central portion में जितनी किसी attractive quality, suppose for example आमे कोजे भुवनेश्वर वर्तमान गोटे educational hub. So that means it pulls students from all over Odisha and from the neighboring states. ता पाखापुर पिलांग सब टाणी आमची एटा गोटे सेंट्रिपेटल फोर्स हिसाब काम करूची that led to the change the internal structure and organization of the city. जोटा शहर रो internal organization बा structure को परिवर्तन करू because of the centripetal forces. आर केतका attractive quality रहउची, it stands for गोटे गोटे शहर इज जेमते हमें कहूचे राजस्थान नो कोटा. It has a unique place for competitive examination, business, medical and engineering. So all over India, it pulls, it attracts people for its qualities, and that is the called as centripetal forces. Attractive qualities, centripetal. So centrifugal forces, on the other hand, are not only opposite forces of centripetal, but are made of merging influences. A desire to live in one part of the city or an urge to move to another part of the city, such as suburb. एटा गोटे टिके पेली हिजो बाहर पेली जाओ सिटी भितर बड़े लोक कंजेस्टेड हिजो भितर जाम हिजो सेटु लोक बाहर जेकि सबर्ब एरिया को पळेबे और टिके फ्री एरिया को पळेबे. So that is a centripetal power. केतटा बाध्यबाधकता आसीबो ट्रेन जेजो जाम हिजो ट्रैफिक जाम हो लोक माने सेटु हाई रेजिडेंस चेंज करी अन्य जगह को पळेबे. That is a centrifugal process काम करबो, and that also changes the internal structure and organization of the city. So that is the spatial distribution of a particular city also depict social organization and cultural relationship with the structure of that period. The form and structure of the modern city is the result of numerous economic, social and cultural factors operating from many decades since their evolution. So internal structure को decide करूची गोटे city रो किए ना form of structure of a modern city is a केते गुडे फैक्टर ता गहन करूची गोटे इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर, सोशल फैक्टर, कल्चरल फैक्टर एवं तीनटा कर ऑपरेशन एट ए टाइम आल्सो डिसाइड्स द social organization and cultural relationship of a and structure of a city. So then come to the different models of city groups. So urban sociologists have given different models of city groups. Different models of city groups. विभिन्न प्रकार मॉडल रो देचंती गोटे फास्ट होची concentric zone model. concentric zone model. The concentric zone model. This concentric zone model were propounded by Burgess. So Ernest Burgess have propounded the concentric zone model to explain the structure and growth of city. ये जो structure city रो structure और growth को था मैं आलोचना कले internal structure, internal organization तार growth केमती city रो growth होगी. On that basis, different scholars have given different models how the city grows or what is the growth of a city. केमती structure और growth of city विचारे विभिन्न model दीजिए. सही साबरे Ernest Burgess have propounded a concentric zone theory to explain the structure and the growth of city. सहरर structure, संरचना और growth विकास को बुझिया पाई से माने यही मॉडल ता दीचन. The hypothesis of this concentric zone model of Burgess is the structure is the cities grows and develop outwardly in concentric zone. The main hypothesis of this theory of concentric zone model of Burgess that the cities grows and develop outwardly in concentric zone. सहरर ग्रोथ रा केमिति होय ना outwardly in concentric zone. Concentric zone ने outwardly ए सिटी बा सहरर ग्रोथ ता हुए बोली ए मॉडल Burgess करै concentric zone model कहूची. So in other words, the essence of this model is that as a city grows, it expands radically from its center to different concentric circles or zones. तेणु Burgess कहउछन्ती जेतेबेले गोटे सिटी एक्सपांड करूची radically from its center to different concentric circle zone. तार सेंटर रु विभिन्न सर्कल को जोन कर. गोटे हला केंद्र रहला केंद्र रु डिफ्यूज करिवो डिफरेंट आड. That is concentric zone model. So Burgess offer a descriptive framework in which both aspects of human ecology, physical land use pattern and human relationship are implicit. एवं से एक्सपेंशन रे ए सबुरा को implicit करूछ बोले. Using Chicago as an example, Burgess viewed that as cities expand outward, the interaction among people and the economic, social, and political organization also create radical expansion outward and form a series of concentric zones. तेणु Burgess कहउछन्ती जेंति चिकागो रो एग्जांपल देई जे खाली जे सिटी एक्सपांड करबो ता नुई. सिटी जते आउटवर्ड को एक्सपांड करबो सेतले लोकमान को भितरे इकोनॉमिक, सोशल और पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और ए सब रे इंटरेक्शन बुद्धि हबो. The interaction among these people है ना लोकमानकर जो इकोनॉमिक फील्ड, सोशल फील्ड, पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फील्ड रे expand interaction grow करिवो एवं that leads to expansion outward in the form of series of concentric सेटाको तारो expansion ने सहायक हबो. Then this concentric zone model is based on invasion of succession. जो दुटा प्रोसेस इकोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस इन्वेशन सक्सेशन हमें आलोचना करथले concentric zone model ता ऊपर बेस करिगी एक्सपेंशन होय बोली कि Burgess कहउछन. तेनु इन्वेशन हो जो गोटे प्रोसेस जोडी नेसेसिटीज कंटिन्यूअल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ इनर जोन्स इनटू आउटर जोन्स. तेनु इन्वेशन ने जोडे कंटिन्यूअल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ इनर जोन टू आउटर जोन. इनर जोन नु सब आउटर जोन को कंटिन्यूअस एक्सपेंशन हुए ड्यू टू नेचुरल एग्रेशन और माइग्रेंट्स इनटू द सिटी. जरा माइग्रेंट माने सिटी भीतर को पळे आसीबे सेतेबेले इनर जोन रु आउटर जोन को एक्सपेंशन हबो. दैट इज ए कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस. एरोटा कंटिन्यूअस एक्सपेंशन जोडा नेसेसरी करे बोली चले. तेनु सक्सेशन occurs जेतेबेले when an area became dominated by the activity invading that zone. Succession occurs when an area becomes dominated by the activity invading that zone. सेही जोन को इन्वेड करथि एक्टिविटी दैट डोमिनेट करि दिबो सेतेबेले सक्सेशन आसीबो. तेणु सहर रे कोन वे ना लोक माने गोटे जागा पई कंपटीशन करू लिमिटेड स्पेस. सहर रे स्थान सीमित तेणु सीमित सहर स्थान को पाइया पई लोक मान गोटे प्रतियोगिता देखा जाय. ओनली दोज कैन सक्सीड हु कैन अफोर्ड बेस्ट टू पे द डिजायरेबल लोकेशन. तेणु को माने सक्सीड करबे थी जो माने अधिक पेमेंट करबे अधिका पेमेंट करेंगे कॉस्ट बढ़ी जीवो कॉस्ट ऑफ लैंड बढ़ी जीवो. तेणु कंसेंट्रिक जोन थ्योरी रिफ्लेक्ट्स ongoing conflict between city dwellers and periphery villagers. ତେଣୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ conflict ରହୁଥିବ regarding this periphery dweller ଆଉ city dweller ଭିତରେ. ତେଣୁ it describes the process of constant aggregation of social group with the growth of city structure. এটা ଆଉ କଣ କରିଛି ନା ଏଇ zone model theory process of concentration and segregation of social groups. को process रे को भाबे social group बा सहरर सामाजिक समूह गुड़िक गोटे जगह कनसेंट्रेट करुचंती आ पुणी केमती से सेग्रीगेट करुचंती एई प्रक्रियाटा को मध्य एई थ्योरी कंसेंट्रिक जोन मॉडल थ्योरी डिस्क्राइब करछि. जाऊ बर्गेस has classified these concentric zone model into five categories. पंचोटी श्रेणी विभक्त करिसेंती कंसेंट्रिक मॉडल बा पंचटा स्टेज तार दैछंती. गोडो जी कमर्शियल सेंटर आगोटे जी जोन ऑफ ट्रांजिशन आगोटे जी वर्किंग क्लास रेसिडेंस आगोटे जी हायर क्लास रेसिडेंस मिडिल एंड हायर क्लास रेसिडेंस आगोटे जी कम्यूटर जोन. These are the five zone of the concentric zone model given by Burgess. Burgess ए जो पांचटा जोन दैछंती हैं सेटा को इनर जोन इनर मोस्ट जोन टाकू सब तो केंद्र रे जो जोन टा रहला सेटा को न्यूक्लियस ऑफ द सिटी अजाय बात टाकू कमर्शियल सेंटर बोली कहू. सेटा व्यवसायिक केंद्र एटा केंद्र पूरा गोटे सर्कल रा पूरा मझिरे जोटा रहला सेटा को हमें इनर मोस्ट रिंग जोन बा न्यूक्लियस ऑफ द सिटी शहर रा केंद्र सेटा बोली हमें कहू. एवं सेटा को मध्य बर्गेस कहजंती सीबीडी बा सेंट्रल बिजनेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट कॉल इट एज सेंट्रल बिजनेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट जोटा जो नाटा की अमेरिका नॉर्थ अमेरिका और वेस्टर्न कंट्री व्यवहार करा जाता है. दिस जोन ए जो जोन दैट इज this commercial zone is characterized by high intensity of commercial, social and civic amenities. Trade and commerce रा high transaction सेठी हुए सामाजिक और civic amenities रा मतलब पर्याप्त high intensity तीव्रता देखा जाए. It is the heart of the city. এই জোনটাକୁ ସିଟିର କମର୍ସିଆଲ ସେଣ୍ଟର ଜୋନକୁ ହାର୍ଟ ଅଫ ଦି ସିଟି ବା ସିଟିର କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ବୋଲିକି କୁହାଯାଏ. which include department store, office building, shop, bank, club, hotel, theater ए अनेक civic building सब এই जोन रे रहिଥାଏ. being the commercial center of commercial activities and location, it is accessible from all directions and attracts a large number of people. तेणु जेहेतु एटा बिजनेस सेंटर सब ऑफिशियल अकोमोडेशन सबुर केंद्र तेणु सब दिगरु एठी लोगों को पुल करे. therefore it is a zone of highest intensity land use and social interaction. तेणु एठी सोशल इंटरेक्शन मध्ये अधिक हुए एवं हायर इंटेंसिटी मध्ये एठी देखा जाय कमर्शियल जोन एठी. as a result the residential population in this zone is very small. तेणु रेसिडेंशियल पॉपुलेशन एठी कमी जाय ट्रेड बिजनेस एगुडा सब बेसी चले. Burgess further described that the morphological structure of this commercial center by CBD Central Business District is changing rapidly with our changing needs. तो लोकमानकर आवश्यकता परिवर्तन होती सेतबेले ए CBD कमर्शियल सेंटर बा चीफ बिजनेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेंटर मध्ये बहु परिमाण रे परिवर्तन होची. सो सेटा को हमें होचे दिस मॉर्फोलॉजिकल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सिटी इंक्लूड्स गोटे सहर मॉर्फोलॉजिकल स्ट्रक्चर कहले का कोन बुझे ना बिल्डिंग रोड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ऑल दिस फैसिलिटीज स्ट्रीट्स ये सब को हमें बुझे बिल्डिंग रोड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को हमें बुझे मॉर्फोलॉजिकल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ए सिटी. सो these arrangements occur in part through demolition of new building construction. तापरे न्यू बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन है पुराना बिल्डिंग गुडा डिवास्टेशन करा जाय कि एठी करा जाय. देन आसिला तापरे mainly occupy this zone. Light industry and slum, the बस्ती अंचल हाउस होल्ड एटी कम आयर लोक मैंने बास करती छोट छोट घर वन रूम हाउसेस होमलेस पीपुल माने घर शून्य गृह शून्य लोक मैंने बास करती ये विभिन्न प्रकार क्राइम देखा जाए ब्रीडिंग प्लेस ऑफ क्राइम गैम्बलिंग सेक्सुअल क्राइम then other social deviances are also found in this zone eta hochi CBD ro pakha pakhi zone eta rohithay the physical deterioration of the social disorganization leads to concentration of poor housing poverty juvenile delinquency family disintegration physical and mental diseases all these are found in these areas. Then Burgess studied Chicago city and found the second concentric zone to be the transitory in nature. ତେଣୁ ଏଇ ଜୋନଟା ସବୁବେଳେ ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜିଟୋରୀ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନଶୀଳ ହେଉଥିବାରୁ ସେଟାକୁ ଜୋନ୍ ଅଫ ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜିସନ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଦି ଜୋନ୍ ସରାଉଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଦ ସିଭିଲ୍ ଏରିଆଜ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଫୁଲଫିଲ୍ସ देयर नीड्स ए ଜୋନଟା ସିଭିଲ୍ ଏରିଆ ଚିଫ୍ जो बिजनेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट बा जोटाକୁ ଆମେ कमर्शियल सेंटर कहते कमर्शियल सेंटर चारिपटे ए जोनटा रहिता है एवं सेही कमर्शियल सेंटर लोक मानकर आवश्यकता को ए जोनटा पूर्ण करता है ए जोन लोक माने पूर्ण करया ପାଇଁ गडुता है तेणु सेति ପାଇଁ एटी विभिन्न प्रकार लाइट इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन विभिन्न प्रकार क्राइम ये सब देखा जाए बेले बेले द सीबीडी विल एक्सपैंड टू दिस जोन सीबीडी बेले बेले ए आड़ को मारी आसे जेतले से एरिया रे अधिक जगार आवश्यकता पड़े तेणु से जोग से जोनटा ये जोन आड़ को बेले बेले मारी आसे तेणु थर्ड होची दैट इज वर्किंग क्लास रेसिडेंस का श्रमजीवी रेसिडेंस जोड़ा को जाउ वर्किंग क्लास रेसिडेंस बा लो क्लास रेसिडेंस का पुणी से जो क्लास टाक आम दुई भाई वर्किंग क्लास रेसिडेंस और हायर क्लास रेसिडेंस हम दुई भाई व्यक्त कर ये जो लोअर क्लास रेसिडेंस बेसिकली प्लान रेसिडेंशियल एरिया ये जो प्लान रेसिडेंशियल एरिया को बुझाए क्लोज टू प्लेसेस ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी एटा क्लोज टू इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी विभिन्न अर्थनैतिक कार्यकलाप सहित एटा जड़ित होई रही थाए एवं लोक माने सेठी शिफ्ट मूव टू द आउटवर्ड रिंग्स इन क्लोज टू ट्रांजिशन जोन इट इज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय दैट जोन ट्रांजिशन जोन पाके तोर ता द्वारा मते एटा किछि परिमाणे प्रभावित होई इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ तेन एटी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ मते बेसी भलो देखा जाय न थाए जो ट्रांजिशन जोन में जेमि जीवन शैली एटी से प्रकार से बेले बेले द रिफ्लेक्ट द नेगेटिव इंपैक्ट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल पोल्यूशन एंड कल्चरल इंपैक्ट ऑफ स्लम्स तेणु ये जो स्लम एरिया जोटा ट्रांजिशन जोन स्लम एरिया रो इंपैक्ट ए जोन ऊपर किछि पड़ता है तापर नेक्स्ट आसिला वर्किंग सब्सिक्वेंट आउटवर्ड रिंग को जे रहिला वर्किंग क्लास रो परवर्ती रिंग की जोटा रहिला सेटा को जे हायर क्लास रेसिडेंस रहिला एटा गोटे सेपरेटेड इन डिफरेंट रिंग्स रहिबो एवं एक क्लास कैरेक्टर this is regional area with all modern amenities जेतुटे हायर क्लास रो उच्च श्रेणी लोक माने रहउचंती तेन एटी सब विभिन्न प्रकार सुविधा सुजोग अवेलेबल हुए विभिन्न प्रकार सिविक सोसाइटी विभिन्न पीपल हु रिसाइड इन दिस एरिया नेटिव पीपल एवडा सब एवं सैनिटेशन हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज ऑल अदर रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ ए गुड क्वालिटी लाइफ आर फाउंड इन दिस हायर क्लास रेसिडेंस जोन अब लास्ट आसीला दैट इज कम्यूटर जोन जोडो हम कहूजे कम्यूटर जोन refers to located in the outermost concentric zone सबुठु बाहर रहिला जोटा होची ताको हमें outermost concentric zone बा commuter zone बोली कहूछु एटा commuter zone एथि पई कहूछु दैट दिस जोन ए जोन लोक माने सबले कम्यूट करंती गोटे प्लेस रो गोटे डेली कम्यूटर्स माने पीपल फ्रॉम दिस एरियाज कम्यूट ऑन ए डेली बेसिस टुवर्ड द सीबीडी जो कमर्शियल जोन सेठी काम करिया पई जानती मूल मजूर लागिया पई जानती फॉर एम्प्लॉयमेंट बिजनेस सपोर्ट to earn some type of money ये सब काम करते हैं सेटा को कम्यूटर जोन बोली कहा जाए इट इज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय लो डेंसिटी दिस कम्यूटर जोन इज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय लो डेंसिटी इज रिलेटिवली आइसोलेटेड एंड लोकेटेड इन suburb and satellite towns एटा को कम्यूटर जोन बोली कहा जाए so these are the classifications given by this concentric zone model by Burgess so this Burgess this classification this model has also certain limitations. This theory is based on Chicago city of American cities. It is unable to explain the structural pattern and growth of cities in India and other developing countries. So, there is limitation hoji bar criticism hoji कि जेतु एटा चिकागो शहर मॉडल ले करा जायछि तेन सेटा भारत बा अन्य विकासशील देश मानकर सहर को बुझेबारे विफल अछि और सेकंड हे होछि it is not applicable to all developing countries एई थ्योरीटा सब डेवलपिंग कंट्री प्रति प्रযোज्य हो नाही तारे आ गोटे मुझे होमर हाइट refused this concentric zone model and argue that the growth of city did not always form a circle completely गोटे सहर रा विकास होलियर हाइट कहउचंती होमर हाइट जे गोटे सहर रा ग्रोथ गोटे सर्कल हिसाब रे सबले ग्रो करिवो सेमति किछि कुआ जाई पाइबो नाही दैट सी आल्सो क्रिटिसाइजेशन then another criticism is against this theory is that endogenous forces ये बर्गेस ये जो थ्योरी बा मॉडल देला बळे से एंडोजेनस फोर्सेस को जो गुरुत्वपूर्ण रोल रहिछि ताकू से इग्नोर करचंती बोली क्रिटिसाइज मते करा जाउछि दिस आर द थ्योरी देन हमें आसीबा तो सेकंड मॉडल दैट इज सेक्टर मॉडल so sector model is another model of city growth सहर वृद्धि आगोटे मॉडल देचंती होमर होयट बोली आउ जने समाज विज्ञानी जे देचंती एन इकोनॉमिस्ट एन अर्थनीति विज्ञानी he propounded an alternative proposition of urban structure and growth in 1939 to the model given by Burgess का जो मॉडल तार गोटे अल्टरनेटिव मॉडल भाबे होमर हायर 1939 रे आ गोटे मॉडल देले अर्बन ग्रोथ रो सेटा को हमें सेक्टर मॉडल बोली कहू so the sector model have tried to overcome the weakness of the concentric zone model एही मॉडल प्रदान द्वारा होयर वर्गेस कर concentric zone model जो त्रुटि ताको करेक्ट करिया को चेष्टा करचंती and a model da is mainly based on residential rent pattern and impact of transportation development a sector model da basis kari residential rent pattern au impact of transportation development are upare parchasita ebang this model is a result of empirical study of 34 American cities in which Hyatt observed the high rent areas are located in one or more sectors of the city. एवं अमेरिका रा 34 टा सिटी को शहर को अध्ययन कला परे होमर हाइट ए मॉडल ता दैचंती एवं से जो एम्पिरिकल से देखिले जे गोटे शहर रा गोटे दीटा सेक्टर रहउची जोडी हाउस रेंट बहु परिमाण रे अधिक रहउची he prepared a map तेनु से बेसिस रे से गोटे मैप प्रिपेयर करले showing how rent changed by sector irrespective of concentric zone सर्कल केमते रेंट परिवर्तन होछि जोन तेनु सेटा से गोटे मैप प्रिपेयर करले एवं से अनुसार हाइट प्रोवाइडेड a factual evidence through the survey of Washington DC metropolitan 1954 से गोटे सेही एविडेंस को देकी गोटे सर्वे कले वाशिंगटन डीसी ऊपर डिग्री से मॉडल ता देचंती एवं सो दैट the main concentration of high income group families were found in the form of scattered clusters देखचंती जे मेन concentration of high income group families अधिक आय थिया परिवार गुडिक scattered form in cluster विभिन्न क्लस्टर रे scattered form रे रहउछन तेणु से ताको बुझिया पई he have classified his into group into 5 category that is central business district जो business CBD जोडा से कहउतले के हमरो बर्गेस ए मतलब सेटा रखचंती तापर होलसेल लाइट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग लो क्लास रेसिडेंस मीडियम क्लास रेसिडेंस हाई क्लास रेसिडेंस एमती पांचटा कैटेगरी रे सेक्टर मॉडल ला ई पांचटा कैटेगरी रे डिवाइड करचंती होमर हायर ये जो पांचटा कैटेगरी रे से डिवाइड करचंती and the sector model and concentric zone have the common CBD वो दुटा का जोन मॉडल रे हमें CBD बा सेंट्रल बिजनेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट विषय रे सन उल्लेख करचंती जोटा को हमें कमर्शियल जोन बिलिकरी वर्गेस कहचंती ये सेटा को रखिचंती तंको कैटेगरी जो पांचटा कैटेगरी तेणु से ये कहचंती के Hyatt कहचंती in contrast to Burgess the concentric zone theory the sector theory assumes that land range changes from sector to sector गोटे सेक्टर आ गोटे लैंड रेंट बा जमी जो भड़ा घर भड़ा एटा चेंज होची इन फॉर्म सक्सेसिव कंसेंटेड जोन इन एरिया then development of a sector determined by various factors गोटे सेक्टर रा डेवलपमेंट विभिन्न फैक्टर द्वारा प्लानिंग ट्रांसपोर्टेशन क्लास कैरेक्टर रेसिडेंट अदर फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल ए सब बेसिस रे गोटे हाउसिंग रेंट रा पेटर बा अधिक हाउसिंग बड़ाटा जोटी रहउची सेटा ए फैक्टर को ऊपर बेस करके रहउची that was about the sector model then another model of the city growth we'll discuss about that multiple nuclei model this is one of the important classical theory of internal structure of city और internal structure विषय रे ए जो मॉडल ता दिचंती सेटा को कह जाउची मल्टीपल न्यूक्लियई developed by Chowdhury Harris and Edward Ullman in 1954 ए दु जण 1954 मसिया रे ए मॉडल को विकास करथले जोडा को हमें कहचे मल्टीपल न्यूक्लियई मॉडल the basic assumption of this multiple nuclei model is that cities are not homocentric से कहते सहर गुड़ाक होमोसेंट्रिक नुहे but they rather have many mini centers गोटे केंद्र को गढ़ी जोड़ा अन्य सेक्टर मॉडल आउ कंसेंट्रिक जोन मॉडल गोटे केंद्र को सिटी रो गोटे केंद्र थाए केंद्र रो एक्सपेंशन करे जो कहउचंदी बा सर्कल बेसिस रे बा सेक्टर बेसिस रे किंतु ये ताको माना करछि ये कहउचंदी जे केंद्र रो गोटे कोनसी सिटी रो गोटे कोनसी होमोसेंट्रिक नुहे सिटीज आर नॉट होमोसेंट्रिक rather cities has many mini centers से कहउचंदी प्रत्येक शहर रो अनेक मिनी सेंटर थाए होमोसेंट्रिक नुहे एवं एही मिनी सेंटर गुडा गोटे गुरुत्वपूर्ण भूमिका परंती इन द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सिटी गोटे शहर रो वृद्धि बा यार संप्रसारण रे ए मिनी सेंटर गुडा को बेसी गुरुत्वपूर्ण भूमिका ग्रहण करंती एवं जो शहर रो जते अधिक मिनी सेंटर रहइबो से शहर सेते अधिक एक्सपेंशन करिवो बोली माने कहउछ these many centers originally developed independently with a specialized advantage that they offered to similar activities prospering this area विभिन्न प्रकार एडवांटेज को भित्ति करी ए मिनी सेंटर गुडा गढुछि तेनु सेति पई याको मल्टीपल न्यूक्लियर थ्योरी बोली कहजा एटा डिफर सेक्टर और कंसेंट्रिक जोन कतरु अनेक दृष्टि डिफर काहेकि आई बिलीव दैट सिटी हैज नॉट डेवलप्ड अराउंड ए सिंगल सेंटर और सीबीडी बट इट हैज ए ग्रुप ऑफ मेनी मिनी सेंटर्स और अनेक ग्रुप मिनी सेंटर थाए एवं ए जो फेजेस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट मे बी साइमल्टेनियस और इन डिफरेंट पीरियड्स द मल्टीपल न्यूक्लियर टाइप इज फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू 10 मेजर एरियाज तेनु ए जो मल्टीपल न्यूक्लियर थ्योरी 10टा मेजर एरिया को से डिवाइड करिसथि तेनु एटा गोटे नेचुरल प्रोसेस एटा प्लान्ड प्रोसेस रे डेवलप न होई मल्टीपल न्यूक्लियर मॉडल अनुसार शहरटा गोटे नेचुरल प्रोसेस रे विकसित होते प्राकृतिक प्रक्रिया रे विकसित हुए एवं से जो 10टी टेस्ट कथा से कहचंती सेडा होची गोटे होची सेंट्रल बिजनेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट होलसेल लाइट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेंट्रल बिजनेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट जोडो का हमें कहू कमर्शियल जोन बा सीबीडी सेकंड होची होलसेल मार्केट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग थर्ड होची लो क्लास रेसिडेंस फोर्थ होची मीडियम क्लास रेसिडेंस तापरे हाई क्लास रेसिडेंस तापरे हेवी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग आउटलाइंग बिजनेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट रेसिडेंशियल सबर्ब्स इंडस्ट्रियल सबर्ब्स कम्यूटर्स एरिया एमती 10टा भाबरे से ताको डिवाइड करिसंती मल्टीपल न्यूक्लियर पर तो मल्टीपल न्यूक्लियर मॉडल रो एसेंस होची जे कोनसी शहर होमोसेंट्रिक नुहे यार अनेक मिनी सेंटर अछि एवं से मिनी सेंटर गुडी का सी गोटे सिटी रो ग्रोथ विकास बा एक्सपेंशन रे गुरुत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निर्वाह करछन एटा कहउचंती न्यू मल्टीपल न्यूक्लियर सेति पई एटा मल्टीपल न्यूक्लियर जेम तार गोटे न्यूक्लियस थिला कंसेंट्रिक जोन मॉडल बा ए मॉडल रो किंतु आर मल्टीपल एकाधिक जोन रहितरु याक मल्टीपल न्यूक्लियर मॉडल बोली कह जाय एवं यार 10टा पॉइंट से देखन देन तापर असला एक्सप्लॉइटेटिव मॉडल अनदर मॉडल ऑफ सिटी ग्रोथ शहर वृद्धि रो आ गोटे मॉडल होची एक्सप्लॉइटेटिव मॉडल द एक्सप्लॉइटेटिव मॉडल डिवाइड द सीन into 3 semi-circular concentric zones on the basis of ownership of resources and ability to pay. संपत्ति रो मालिकाना आउ पेमेंट करिवार बा दान करिवार दक्षता भितरे पे करिवार दक्षता भितरे एको तीनोटी सेमी सर्कुलर कंसेंट्रिक जोन रे डिवाइड करछंती से भितरे पुंजीर मालिकाना एवं पे भितरे से तीनटा बेसिस होची कोन ना सिटी ऑफ यूनिटी एवं सिटी ऑफ सुपर प्यूनिटी पुणी दुबार गोटे गोटे डेथ टैक्स गोटे होची मेसिन टैक्स ए भले भाबरे तीनटा डिवाइड करिसंती एवं जो थ्री सर्कुलर कंसेंट्रिक जोन्स द सिटी ऑफ डेथ को से शहर केंद्र बा इनर सिटी बोली कहउछन एवं से जो इनर सिटी दैट इज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय ए सेंटर ऑफ एक्सप्लॉइटेशन बाय द रेस्ट ऑफ द टू एरिया सिटी ऑफ डेथ जोटा कि इनर सिटी characterized by the center of exploitation by the rest of the two areas. The people living in this zone are poor who are exploited through paying two different taxes. ये जो city of death रे जो माने बास करे अंचल रे जो माने बास करे से माने केवल टैक्स दे सारिबे paying two different taxes से माने दीदा विभिन्न प्रकार टैक्स दोउछथि बा कर दोउछथि गोटे होची मेसिन टैक्स आ गोटे होची डेथ टैक्स एवं अन्य दुईटी जोन रे लोक माने এই লোক মানকু এক্সপ্লয়েট বা শোষণ করছেন শোষণ করন তো মেশিন ট্যাক্সটা কোন এটা পেজ থ্রু ওয়েজ পেমেন্ট বিলো द वर्कर्स वर्क वेज पेमेंट एवं से जने वर्कर जति काम करबो तार वैल्यू थारु कम प्रदान करला करी शोषण करंती तेनु सेटा गोटे शोषण प्रकार हला तेनु सेटा को जल्दी मेसिन टैक्स ता वेज द्वारा पे करे जोटा कि तार प्रकृत वर्थ थारु कम Second is here, if worker is paid less than the work output, surplus exertion is viewed as a machine tax. ये जो surplus था सेटा machine tax होगा, सेटा को एमाने exploit करते हैं other two अंचल लोग। The poor residents of this area also pay death tax. ये area रे लोग माने गरीब लोग माने गोटे death tax होती in terms of paying higher prices of food, housing and other consumer item services. सेगुड़ा को ऊपर से higher tax दियो food item other दिस ए अंचल मध्य ए जो सिटी ऑफ डेथ अंचल अनेक सिटी सर्विस और सिविक कम्युनिटीज रु मध्य सफर करे एटी कोनस प्रकार सुविधा सुयोग न थाए कंजेशन एरिया इनक्रोचमेंट हैज द स्टेटस ऑफ ए स्लम कंसेंट्रिक जोन रा स्लम अंचल परी एटा से बोली एक अंचल तमे एटा को ए जो एक्सप्लॉइटेशन भितरे शहर केंद्र करथारु एटा को एक्सप्लॉइटेटिव मॉडल बोली कहल then second model of is exploitative model law, that is the city of need. City of need occupies an intermediate location between city of death and city of superfluity. It has the maji kendra maji stage it is blue color working class, it is working class inhabit in the city of need. So श्रमिक श्रेणी लोक माने एई जोन में बास करंती एवं थर्ड एवं मिडिल क्लास ए माने मिडिल क्लास श्रमिक श्रेणी ए माने एटी बास करंती these are also exploited by suburban based business interests and politicians एमान को मध्य एटी एक्सप्लेन करा जाय का द्वारा ना बिजनेस इंटरेस्ट आउ पॉलिटिशियन मान का द्वारा like inner city residents they also pay the machine tax but are relieved from the death tax प्रथम सिटी ऑफ डेथ लोक माने जोटा मेसिन टैक्स डेथ टैक्स दियंती किंतु एठी माने केवल मेसिन टैक्स दियंती डेथ टैक्स दियंती नै माने मध्य एठी एक्सप्लॉइटेशन शिकार हेतुवारु एई मॉडल ना एक्सप्लॉइटेटिव मॉडल बोली कहल जाय थर्ड एंड आउटर मोस्ट रिंग ऑफ द सिटी इज कॉल्ड एज द सिटी ऑफ सुपरफ्लुइटी this area is a home of the elite entrepreneurs managers and high class who maintain a leisure life and indulge in mass consumption of the cost of the other two cities. Ita hochi dhani lok manankar area ba leisure class industrial class managerial class e manankar area ebong emat e owner duita class ko anna duita sector lok mananku exploit karanti. Population of this outer zone city is very small in number but they are very affluent. ei anchal ro sahar ei anchal lok mane bahut affluent ba dhani ebong ସେମାନେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଦୁଇଟା ଅଞ୍ଚଳକୁ ଶୋଷଣ କରନ୍ତି। ତେଣୁ ଏଇ ମଡେଲଟା କେବଳ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲଏଟେସନ ପିକ୍ଚର ଅଫ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲଏଟେସନ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରୁଥିବାରୁ ଏଟାକୁ ଆମେ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲଏଟେସନ ମଡେଲ ବୋଲିକି କହିଥାଉ। ଦେନ୍ Then symbolic approach. Another approach of studying this urban society is known as the symbolic approach. The symbolic approach is another model to study urban structure. Urban संरचना को अध्ययन करिवार आ गोटे approach होची बा दृष्टिकोण होची symbolic approach. It developed as a corrective to the ecological and functional approach to the study of internal structure of cities. सहरर अंत संरचना को सहरर को वृद्धि को स्टडी करिवार जो दुईटा अप्रोच थिला हमर कोन गोटे थिला इकोलॉजिकल अप्रोच आ गोटे थिला फंक्शनल अप्रोच बा डायकोटोमस अप्रोच जो थिला ता बदले एटा आ गोटे अप्रोच आछिला दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सिंबॉलिक अप्रोच. एटा गोटे करेक्टिव से पूर्व दुईटार जो त्रुटि रहितला तार करेक्शन रे ए गोटे सिंबॉलिक अप्रोच रा डेवलप करछि and it helps to study. It also try to explain the internal structure of a city. So Walter Ferry in 1945 first contributed to this approach. ये approach को approach था वाल्टर फेरिंग के द्वारा प्रदान कराया था 1945 रे, and they have analyzed the land use in central Boston. He has highlighted the importance of symbolism as an ecological variable which emphasizes the interdependent role of social symbolism as a major force in shaping the internal structure of city. तेणु एठी से सिंबोलिज्म बा प्रतीकात्मकता उपरे गुरुत्व देइछन्ती एवं सिंबोलिज्म को से गोटे इकोलॉजिकल वेरिएबल हिसाब रे गोटे इकोलॉजिकल वेरिएबल हिसाब रे नैछन्ती एवं जहाकी गुरुत्व प्रदान करिथा इंडिपेंडेंट रोल ऑफ सोशल सिंबोलिज्म as a major force in shaping internal structure of cities. सहर गुड़िकर अंत संरचना को प्रभावित करिवारे गोटे गुरुत्वपूर्ण मेजर फोर्स कार्य करे कि सोशल सिंबोलिज्म सामाजिक प्रतीकात्मकता गोटे गुरुत्वपूर्ण भूमिका करे एवं गोटे इंडिपेंडेंट रोल सोशल सिंबोलिज्म फोर्स आज इंडिपेंडेंट गोटे स्वाधीन रोल भूमिका निर्वाह करे चित्र गठन दे. Particularly in the historically meaningful public building and open spaces. एवं तंक परे उरिंग परे आ गोटे मेजर डेवलपमेंट इन दी स्टडीज ऑफ दिस एरिया वाज डेवलप्ड बाय Whitley who studied the Asian cities, the Chinese cities and the Japanese cities. ए जो स्टडी गुडा का हला ता द्वारा ए सिंबॉलिक अप्रोच रा उठे विकास हला. According to these studies, that ancient cities developed in terms of religious or cosmological meanings. हमें आगे जो सिटी गुड़ा प्राचीन सिटी गुड़ा का विकसित होतला को बेसिस रे ना कॉस्मोलॉजिकल मीनिंग बा रिलीजियस मीनिंग जेमति हमें को अयोध्या जेमति हमें को काशी बनारस दीज आर रिलीजियस बेस्ड सिटीज. तेणु रिलीजन भितर एंशिएंट गुड़े कॉस्मोलॉजिकल मीनिंग रो चन द साइट ऑफ द सिटी ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रक्चर हैज इट्स ओन सिंबॉलिक मीनिंग. तेणु तार प्रत्येक सहर गोटे सिंबॉलिक मीनिंग थाए एवं सही मीनिंग को केंद्र करी गोटे लगा सहर गढ़ जेमति हमें कहते पुरी जगन्नाथ सहर जगन्नाथ सहर पुरी. So it is Jagannath stand as a symbolism of which form the internal structure of the city. Regarded as the center of the world. एवं सेटा से city का center भावे विचार करा जाए. The structure consists of temples, shrines, and palaces developed mainly by the ruling elites as a center of power. तेणु से जो पावर सेंटर भावे तक विकसित करछंती सेटा देखा जाए कोई हिसाब रे ना श्राइन सब टेंपल पैलेसेस या को केंद्र करी ए शहर गुडा को राज उठे. तेणु सिंबॉलिक अप्रोच ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन द इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ए सिटी थ्रू सोशल सिंबोलिज्म अप्रोच. Then we will discuss about the social area analysis. So social area analysis was one of the techniques evolved to study diversity in income, status, and ethnicity and mobility in urban population. It is a new method of analysis of urban society. Urban society को analysis करवारा इधर उधर नया method, and this was one of the techniques. Social area is उसे technique to evolve to study diversity in income. सहर रे income रे भिन्नता प्रस्थिति रे भिन्नता प्रजातीयता रे भिन्नता एवं जो मोबिलिटी हमारे जो संचलनता जो भिन्नता देखा दउची से सब भिन्नता को एनालाइज करिया पई ए सोशल एरिया एनालिसिस रो विकास है। This technique was a part of the methodological development of ecological school. Ecological school of social analysis is used more by urban geographer and sociologists. एटा विशेष करी ए टेक्निक का सोशियोलॉजिस्ट आउ अर्बन जियोग्राफर माने व्यवहार करिछन। The ecological approach was the most dominant popular approach in urban sociology from 1920s to 1950. 1920 रु 50 भितरे ए जो इकोलॉजिकल अप्रोच डोमिनेट थिला। आल्सो नोन एज चिकागो स्कूल, एटा मध्ये चिकागो स्कूल हिसाब रे वर्णना करा जाय। The Mark Burgess many others have contributed to the theoretical and methodological aspect of new field of sociology called urban sociology. एमाने जो urban sociology को ग्रोथ करेले तेनु एमाने से urban sociology को आउटिके एनालाइज करे पे नुवा गोटे टेक्निक रा व्यवहार करे जोडो को हमें सोशल एरिया एनालिसिस बोली कहले एवं तारी ऊपर मध्ये एटा बेसी गुरुत्व देला ए जो थ्योरी। Then concept and technique of social area analysis. Social area analysis of certain American cities. Survey and Marilyn Williams have pioneered the social area analysis. These two scholars, Esar Sevki and Marilyn Williams, they pioneered the social area analysis, the identification and description of an area according to their social characteristics. Social area technique रो मूल होची जे गोटे अंचल को तार सामाजिक लक्षण परिचिति भितरे वर्णना करवा। जमती आम कहे पुरी टाक आम जगन्नाथ मंदिर भितर, अयोध्या राम मंदिर ये जो बेसिस रे तेणु गोटे जेकोसी अंचल गोटे सोशल क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक्स जहाँकि गोटे सहर को आइडेंटिफाई परिचित प्रदान कर बेसिस रे वर्णना करने को हमें सोशल एरिया एनालिसिस मेथड बा टेक्निक बोली कहथौ। ए टेक्निक को यूज करी आमे गोटे शहर रो इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर को बुझिया को चेष्टा कराई। ए दुई स्कॉलर आर्ग्यू करछंती जे अर्बन लैंड यूज could be explained in terms of social characteristic alone. ए सेल्विक और Marilyn Williams आर्ग्यू करछंती जे अर्बन लैंड यूज ताको आमे एक्सप्लेन करि परिबा इन टर्म्स ऑफ सोशल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एलोन। ए शहरर सामाजिक लक्षण भितर आमे बुझी परिबा। दे एग्जामिन सोशल रैंक, फैमिली स्टेटस एंड एथनिसिटी। ए शहरर ए सब को एग्जामिन करछंती एंड दिस टेक्निक वाज बेस्ड ऑन यूजिंग ए स्टैटिस्टिकल प्रोसीजर to identify selected important variables from very large database of economic and social variables. Economic और social variable large data को ये आईडी एनालाइज करने को चेष्टा करते हैं। So that is what is known as social area analysis. Then any questions, any doubts? If any, please ask.
Students, any questions to sir?
Learners?
No question. Okay, no issue. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I think our student understood everything. So they don't want any query or any questions. So today we are conclude the session. So tomorrow same time again 3 p.m. You will join. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, learners, for attending the class.
Stop recording button.